This is the dramatic moment the Ukrainian military used a drone to destroy a Russian convoy from above. Footage of Turkish-made drones hitting Putin's forces has been posted online as Ukraine fights back against Russian invasion. Chief Commander of the Armed Forces Valery Zaluzny posted the clip on Facebook, saying a Bayraktar drone was used near the city of Malran, around 60 miles northwest of Kiev. The black and white clip appears to show a row of stationary trucks, before an explosive blast in the middle of the line. Zaluzny wrote, "Welcome to hell," when he posted the footage. Like many commentators, I was surprised and heartened to see a video of a drone strike carried out by Ukrainian Bayraktar TB2 drones against a Russian supply convoy. Unlike some such videos, this one seems to be genuine, according to Rob Lee, senior researcher at the Foreign Policy Research Institute. The Ukrainian Air Force has since confirmed it has carried out such attacks. Another video can be seen here. This simply could not happen if Russia was conducting its military operations properly, and points to a series of failings in the Russian war machine. To rewind slightly, the Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2, Tactical Block 2, is approximately equivalent to the old US Predator drone. It has a wingspan of 39 feet and a 105 horsepower engine, giving it a cruising speed of around 80 miles per hour, so it could easily be outflown by WW-1 fighters.